share that beat of love. I wanna ride.
Hey you guys, I hope everybody is doing well. In today's video we will be doing shrimp egg rolls. I will not be doing a voiceover the entire video. I just want to come in and say hello to everyone and let you know what we're doing here. I did double fry these, so when you get to the part where I deep fry the egg rolls, I deep fry them at a medium heat, and then I turn the heat up to a high heat and I put them back in the oil and deep fry them again for like 30 seconds only, because you don't want them to burn. 30 seconds only. I deep fry them again, and what it does is just makes the egg roll wrapper a little extra crunchy. Look, I can't even talk, but y'all know what I mean. A little extra crunchy at the end. But yeah, I'm gonna hush now. Just let y'all watch the rest of this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. This is the part where I was telling you that I double fried the egg rolls, double deep fry. I fried it on medium heat, and then I turned the heat up and put them back in for like 30 seconds on high heat. Like I said, just make them extra crispy, extra crunchy in the end. Also, I just want to say, if you found this video useful or helpful, if you give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, I would greatly appreciate that. If you didn't find it useful or helpful at all, that's okay too. Not every video is going to be a fit for everybody. But I still appreciate you stopping by as well. All right, you guys.
I wanna ride